Nevin? Yeah, hey, is that a picture picture?
Video.
What's that?
Video. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Hi. Let me see you. You look so pretty. Francesca, are you my love?
No.
No. Whose love are you?
That.
Mom. It's your Scarlett's love?
No. I don't know wow.
You're not a love?
No.
Yes, you are. You're my love.
Oh, like another one.
Okay, you can put it down.
Another one. Mommy. It hurts. Mommy.
You okay?
It hurts.
Go ahead, put them on. You do it.
Okay. Oh, so what?
Let me see. You look so pretty. You look pretty. What do you say?
Pictures.
What's that?
Question no one. Question. Oh, no one. Do that.
And so does our cleaning crew. At City Bag, we believe small business is a big deal. What's your story?
No.
City Bag can help you write it. You're the best, Mr. Snuggles. Another pet name. Smart enough to notice that my favorite fresh fruit makes
I guess I got it.
Scarlett has your glasses?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Come on. I'll fix it.
No, don't put them on. You'll end up poking her in the eye. She doesn't want them. She wants to look at you with them on. You put them on. All right. Bye. Say bye-bye.
No.
No, you want me to still record you?
Yeah. That's how.
Do you want to sing a song?
Yeah.
What song do you want to sing?
Bossy Bubble.
Go ahead. Sing.
Bubble, bubble, Bossy.
Pop.
I did it.
Yeah, you did it.
Bossy Bubble.
Singing Paparazzi.
Yeah.
How's it go?
Sound.
How does Paparazzi go?
No one.
All right. Bye, baby.
No. Happy.
It's time to get ready for bed. Say goodnight.
Night.
Good night.
Night, Bridget.
Oh, good night, Bridget. Bye.